the making fire movement at the moment. So let's talk about Ethereum Classic, right? Now, Ethereum Classic hasn't really met the technical target, which was $48.56. You actually went near that technical target, and you might start making a retracement to the downside. So, guys, be very, very careful at the moment with Ethereum Classic. What I'm going to say about Ethereum Classic is that we might be looking for Ethereum Classic to backtest the 10 EMA, which is going to be down here to 33.33. And if you do actually that, then you're going to be making an evening star. So I do reckon that you might make a deeper retracement down to this level, which is going to be $27. Yes, $27, unfortunately, and then actually backtest that 20 EMA until you don't really try to make a direction and move to the upside. But you do have a very nice bullish cross. So the lowest you can go is to the 55 and then continue even higher. So congratulations, that's a bullish cross. This is really amazing, okay? Because the last time you made a bearish cross, you can see how badly you went down. And now that you have a bullish cross, you're looking for this thing to actually make a whooping move to the upside as well. So that's it for this quick update on Ethereum Classic. Let's move on to the next one, which is going to be Cardano.